यः पृथक् तदक्षरं गुणातीतं गुणातीतं नमाम्यहं महाज्ञानाभ्यासं विदधतमजस्रं भगवतः सम्प्राप्तं स्थितिमतिवरैकान्तिकवृषे आनन्दं सारं हरिवार्ताव्यसनिनं तीतानन्दं मुनिवरमहं नौनिकततम् રચિતે થઈને છીએ પોતાના અંતરમાં તપાસ કરતા જવું, સમજીને વર્તવું. અનાદિતાનંદ સ્વામીએ વાત કરી.
પ્રકરણ 11ની 44મી વાત છે. પ્રકરણ 11, ચેપ્ટર 11 and talk number 44. Talk number 44. સ્વામિનારાયણ રે સ્વામીએ વાત કરી, ભગવાન કેવા દયાળુ છે, જે સૌ સૂઈ જાય છે ત્યારે ચોકી કરે છે, અન્ન વસ્ત્ર આપે છે, દેહ સાજા રાખે છે, અને કેવા દયાળુ છે કે સારા સાધુનો જોગ આપ્યો છે અને સારી મતિ આપી છે, જેથી મહારાજના સાધુની સર્વોપરી નિષ્ઠા થઈ છે.
સજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય. દિનકરભાઈની આજ્ઞા. Chapter 11, talk number 44. God is so merciful to us, so kind, that when everybody is sleeping, He guards us. He gives us the clothes and food, and He keeps us healthy. And He is so graceful, so merciful, that He has given us the association of a good Gunatit saint. And He has given us the good intelligence that we can have the conviction, a firm conviction in the ultimate God and this sadhu. Sajanand Swami Maharaj.
તો ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામી talking to all the devotees and sadhus in Junagadh. જુનાગઢના મંદિરમાં ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામી બધા સાધુ સંતો, બધા હરિભક્તોને વાત કરે છે કે હાઉ મર્સીફુલ અવર સ્વામિનારાયણ ભગવાન ઇઝ. In Mandir, they used to keep the guards to protect at night. And Gunatitanand Swami would get up at night and see if the guards are on duty. And guess what? They will be also sleeping. So, આવે છે અવાજ આવે છે અંદર? આનો અવાજ આવે છે અંદર બેટા? ઓહ, તે કેમ ફિલ્ટર કરી દીધું? So, Swami is looking at the guards and say that they are sleeping. But Swami is so merciful that he will not wake up the guards, he will pray to God that you are taking care of, and they have full faith in you, and they are sleeping, you know. So who is merciful? Gunatitanand Swami or God? Gunatitanand Swami also, you know, is keeping them, you know, undisturbed, you know. Because in every business, you know, business person wants to make sure that people are doing their duty, right? So Junagadh Mandir is also a karkhanu. In karkhanu, you know, everybody has to do their job, right? But they were not doing, you know, and they were still merciful, you know. Or Ketan Bhaina business, right? In his business, he has to make sure that everybody is, you know, doing job, not goofing, right? Otherwise job will go down, business will go down, right? And even though he knows sometimes, you know, he says, and maja karwa do bhi. So here, Swami is saying that how merciful Swaminarayan Bhagwan is. That sau sui jai chhe. Now here, he is just covering everybody, you know. Everybody means, you know, at night everybody sleeps, you know, and God is protecting also, you know. But the focus is on those who are supposed to be awake, you know. જે જાગતા રહેવાનું છે એને પણ ભગવાન એની ચોકી કરે છે. The guards are supposed to protect, instead of God is protecting, you know, everybody, guards and everybody. And what was the method of payment at that time to the guards and others? The food, the cloth, shelter and cloth, right? So Swami says, Anna Vastra ape છે. Swaminarayan Bhagwan is giving the food and shelter. Dehe saja rakhe છે. He is keeping us healthy. Because if we are not healthy, then, you know, we don't do the bhajan, dhoon, anything, right? But if we are healthy and if we don't do bhajan, dhoon, then we are gunegar. Right? We should do bhajan, dhoon, like we came here today, you know, and we are all very happy, enjoying, you know, this Mahapuja, you know. And today our SP Sahib and, you know, Didi, Usha Didi, they were doing Mahapuja with Pintu Bhai, you know. But I found out one secret today, you know, from her, you know. Because all this time I was thinking that how can she remember all this bhajan, you know. You know, even people who make bhajan, you know, they have to read sometimes, you know. But she opened up the secret, she makes bhajan, you know. When she's singing, you know, she's making fresh bhajans, you know.
Especially, you know, when you make a fresh bhajan, you still have something in writing.
Well, it is recorded, you know. We don't need writing now, you know.
When she makes a new bhajan, you know,
Right.
then she will write somewhere, you know, in a piece of paper.
No, she hardly writes.
Right.
She hardly writes.
Uh-huh.
She will get up in the morning. Believe me, at least minimum 50% of the 24 hours are all the time she is occupied. Driving car, this thing, and all related to she forgets and during forgetfulness only she added something else. Like sometimes देखो क्या होता है, इसने मुझे जैसे आपके लिए भजन बनाया, यहाँ के लिए बनाया, तो मेरे को आई ऑल्सो एंजॉय, तो मैं कहता हूँ कि चलो ठीक है सुनाते हैं, सुबह इस सत्संग हो जाता है, उसके बाद में कहते हैं मेरे को सुनाती कुछ है और आपको सुनानी कुछ हो, मेरे में इतना दिमाग नहीं है,
जहाँ जो भाव आता है
नहीं
वो
मुझे लगता है कि भूल गई है,
totally inspiration.
more suitable is to the occasion.
वो भी याद रखता है कि क्या क्या सुनाते हैं.
नहीं याद आता, नहीं जितने भजन सुना सब मुझको सुना चाहिए.
अच्छा.
नहीं बस always you know the same is not there.
Some varieties are there, some spices are there.
हम भी रोज सब्जी बनाते हैं तो दूसरा ही टेस्ट आता है. Hazards was there.
But how long she has been making this bhajan?
After coming to temple.
After coming to satsang, हाँ? अच्छा, उसके पहले कौन सा भजन था?
उसके पहले भजन नहीं, पहले
हैं?
फिल्में सॉन्ग।
फिल्म में
जब मेरी शादी हुई थी ना,
सॉन्ग में भी भजन आ जाता है.
जब मेरी शादी हुई and I bought it for the first time in a car. Before that I had a motorcycle, for this. पर मुझे लगा अब शादी के रिलेशंस हैं तो I never wanted to drive the two-wheeler for the safety sake because of my job also. So I got a car. और मैंने सस्ता सा म्यूजिक सिस्टम लगाया because I could not afford the expensive one. तो एक साथ 3-4 हज़ार रुपये का लगाया. मेरी कार में बैठती मैं उसका म्यूजिक लगाता, उसके बाद फिर अपना भजन वो गाना चालू कर दी, मैं उसको बंद कर देता. मैंने कहा मैं idiot that I have spent
लाइव
life.
लाइव है. वेरी गुड. सो जब पहले हिंदी गाना होता था ना, तो आपके सामने देखकर गाती होगी ना?
वो भी लिखना नहीं होता.
इतना नहीं होता था.
वो भी लिखना. इसको अपने आप ही नहीं रिपीटेशंस. जैसे घर में म्यूजिक चल रहा है तो एक बार सुना, 2 बार सुना, इतना नहीं था. अब तो क्या है कि जो सिनेमा की धुन के ऊपर जो कुछ भी हो, पर शी मेक्स इट. जैसे आज बर्थडे है, आज थाल है, आज कुछ और फंक्शन है, आज कुछ और है, तो ये सुबह से चालू हो जाती है. तो कुछ ना कुछ
Creativity.
नहीं,
that's a God gift. I mean, I would really say it is only because of God gift.
but what I've observed, that's why I'm saying, that whenever she's singing, she's not looking at you, she's closing her eyes,
No, she's all the time she's closing. She totally and she really enjoys. I mean, I can also feel कि she's 100% in भाव दिमाग सब कुछ एक ही फोकस पे.
As long as you don't have any complaint that before you were looking at me and now you are closing your eyes, what happened?
अभी वो दोनों उधर देखते हैं, दोनों भगवान के सामने देखते हैं.
So,
क्या होता है कि जो I'm sorry I'm confusing जो फिल्मी सॉन्ग के ऊपर बनाते हैं somehow I don't enjoy much to them. क्योंकि फिर क्या होता है कि गलती से गाना मैंने सुना हो तो क्या होता है कि वो भजन तो एक तरफ रह जाता है और ये भजन
वो गाना बीच में आ जाता है.
बिना भजन के मतलब बिना सिनेमा की फिल्म के ऊपर जो बनाती है वो मैं ज़्यादा एंजॉय करता हूँ जिसमें किसी फिल्मी ट्यून नहीं रहती.
मगर हम कोई हिंदी का गाना गाते हैं ना, तो हम एंजॉय करते हैं, मगर वो जो गाना गाते हैं ना, तो हम वो हमारे भजन में लग जाते हैं.
उल्टा हो जाता है.
हमने वो भजन सुना है,
आपने फिल्म देखा ही नहीं.
फिल्म नहीं देखा है.
यहाँ वाले ने बच्चे के गाने नहीं देखे तो वो उनके भजन में उलझ जाते हैं.
राइट.
एक सिनेमा का गाना के ऊपर वचन बनाओ, एक बार 2 बार 20 बार फिर मेरा भी ट्यून लग जाती है.
भजन में लग जाती है.
Initially होता है कि दिमाग बिल्कुल I cannot focus on song या जो भगवान फिर मन नहीं लगता तो फिर irritation होने लगता है. irritation होता है कि what for have come and what I'm doing.
ये जो शर्मा जी हैं, शर्मा जी हमारे जो लैंड दिया, उनके जो बड़े लड़के थे ना, उनके वहाँ बहनें गई थी और उन्होंने फिल्म के राग पे भजन स्टार्ट किया. शांति भी गई थी उनके साथ, तो वो नाराज हो गए थे. ये आप क्या कर रहे हो, फिल्म के गीत पे भजन बनाते हो, ओरिजिनल शास्त्रीय राग है ना, वही उनको पसंद है.
ये मेरी हालत है. Exactly this is the case.
मैं भी जो भजन गाता हूँ ज़्यादा, मैं ओरिजिनल भगवान के टाइम के भजन थे वही गाता हूँ.
मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं.
हाँ, तो उसका सेंटिमेंट बदल जाता है ना, उसका जो मेमोरी है उसकी, आपको गाने से कौन आ जाता है, इम्पोर्टेंट.
There are different school of thoughts, that if you sing the filmy songs, and make the bhajan based on filmy songs, then a lot of other people, public, who is used to, will sing also, But then the other school is, that those who are good and interested in shastriya, bhajan and other things, classical singing, then they would like classical way of singing,
अगर भाव अच्छे और वर्डिंग्स अच्छे हैं ना, फिर पिक्चर का गाना बीच में नहीं हटता, फिर ट्यून भी नहीं हटती. आपके अगर वर्डिंग्स अच्छे और मन से निकल रहे हैं
मूर्ति में रहकर
तो
गाते
फिर
हैं,
उसी में रह के आप
सब-
ये पिक्चर का
मूर्ति में रहकर गाता है उसको.
हाँ तो वो करिए उसको करते मतलब वर्डिंग्स अच्छे होने चाहिए, मन को छूना चाहिए. अंदर से तो हो ना, बाकी आप रटे रटाए भजन गा दो तो वहाँ आपका होगा।
बिलीव मी और नॉट, अभी से नहीं, मतलब मैं लोगों के सामने भी मैंने इनिशियल कंप्यूटर पे आया, मैं इवन व्हेन आई वेंट टू द फ्रांस 2-3 टाइम्स, तो द फर्स्ट टाइम, यू नो, बिलीव मी, एवरीबडी, you know, like at one point I just got up when I was allowed to speak to my area. तो फिर मैंने उनको कहा कि well, I mean, last of all, when you want to say something, then I said, well, I'm an Indian, and like so many times I've come here in the Toulouse, and I mean, whenever I've come, I mean, to any country, I've learned the basic etiquettes. For example, if I come to France, I said merci. That means now what I understood is good morning is merci, good evening is thank you is merci, and everything is merci. Without merci, you don't start. Similarly, when you come to India, when now I'm welcoming you, and I will definitely, then what I expect, the only word which is Jai Samanara. I said, now my only request, for another 11 days I am going to be here. I always will come, you know, to you to wish you, and I will say merci, but I'll expect you to say me Jai Samanara, I'll be very pleased. And believe me or not, minimum more than 300-400 people of the staff of the Toulouse, they started saying Jai Samanara.
तो भजन हो गया फिर।
भजन नहीं, मेरे को जैसे जितनी फिर जैसे शुरू में आया, ये मुझे बहुत, मतलब मेरे को गाना नहीं आता, मुझे मेरी मेमोरी भी इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है, पर मैं सुनता हूँ और बहुत ये जो हम शुरू में करते हैं, पधारो भगवान
मंदिर
मेरा
हमारे,
फेवरेट है कि मैं 2-4 लाइनें गाता रहता हूँ, फिर ये भगवान का थाल,
छोगलाधारी,
इस तरह के 5-6 और जो मंदिर में रेगुलर आते हैं ना, नहीं हमेशा नहीं, नेवर गेट बोर्ड,
just enjoy and enjoy.
I really enjoy it.
You are tuned to it.
Yeah.
Automatically.
Yeah, our Angie, you know, she is English, you know, speaking, you know. She does not speak Gujarati that much, you know.
Yes,
But she says third in Gujarati.
in Gujarati.
So if somebody hears her, you know, Avjo Chogladari, you know, they would think that she is a full Gujarati, you know.
Even Usha, when she sings all Gujarati songs, she remembers everything, all prayer, everything, and all the songs from the book, olden time, जो मंदिर में regularly time पे रहते हैं, इसको सारे memorize. और फिर if you hear only without talking, if you hear the language, you cannot say she is Gujarati only, out of pronunciations only.
Yeah,
It's like Aarti,
right.
everything.
आपने अभी तक रिकॉर्ड किया कि नहीं आपका? कितना सारे
कोई कहाँ, मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं लगता कहाँ रिकॉर्ड करूँ।
पता चले
घनश्याम भाई तो निकल लिए ना वहाँ से,
यहाँ है ना,
घनश्याम भाई वहाँ से निकल लिए ना, मुझे समझ
मेरे
नहीं
को होता है सर, कोई बोलना है।
आपके फोन में कर लिया,
हैं?
आपके फोन में कर लिया।
अच्छा,
Believe me, if you give months together, 24 hours, she has so many stock mental, you know, for the Swaminarayan Bhagwan के भजन का. Non-stop she can sing one after other.
उसका आवाज राग भी अच्छा है, you know, so it's, yeah. So Swami is saying we want to thank God that He is so merciful that He provides us the food, the shelter, and keeps us healthy so that we can come, do Mahapuja and enjoy. So next Sunday now, what do we do without you?
He said 11 days he's staying. He just said, you know, he's going to stay 11 days here.
आपने मेरे मन की बात,
Next Sunday again.
honestly speaking, आपने मेरे मन की बात मैंने बिल्कुल छू ली, और मैं desperately, I am retired,
Right.
no job, I am totally frustrated, perturbed in everything because of occupation. What I need is a busy disciplined schedule, or I know my potential of work.
So we'll keep you busy schedule here.
No, what I am trying to say, please keep me, आपके चरणों में मेरे को बिठा के, मुझे कोई एक रेगुलर ऑक्यूपेशन कहीं भी लगा दीजिए जॉब में. Fortunately, God is very kind to me कि मेरे अपने लिए रिक्वायरमेंट, my requirements are very simple and I don't need anything, and whatever I need I have.
Yeah, you have it.
And I'm 100% sure that God will not I mean, give me any day where I have to, like ask for anything in my life. So now whatever I'm doing is for कि मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट पूरी हो गई है और जो भी सेवा हो मैं अपना खर्चा अपने आप करूँगा और बाकी जो यहाँ पे मुझे मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा कुछ भी-
मिलेगा मिलेगा, क्यों नहीं मिलेगा?
नहीं मिले तभी भगवान का है, नहीं मिले तभी भगवान का है।
तो फिर आपका पासपोर्ट दे दीजिए पंकज भाई को।
नहीं सीरियसली अभी
ये
दे
तो
दो।
बहुत सीरियस है
नहीं
वो तो बहुत सीरियस है, इस बात बीच से पीछे लगा ये रही है पंकज भाई।
केतन भाई कहाँ है?
केतन भाई भी यहीं बैठते सामने।
कहाँ है? The moment I met him, same thing I told you. Raj
राज
I was talking to you whole day. दक्षा बहन अब उनको पूछिए और मैं बार बार परमिशन लगी कि मैं दिन कभी से बात करूँ क्या कुछ भी मैं तो बिल्कुल like even today I have given my passport to दक्षा बहन only because probably I am not that familiar आने जाने का तो because as far as I know 6 months so I can come without any problem I can stay in one stretch even this time I wanted for 3 days they want to ask for 6 months
नहीं नहीं, 6 महीने के बाद वापस जाना है ऐसा बोलते हैं ना?
नहीं पासपोर्ट पे मुझे
6 महीने तक रह सकते हैं ना?
10 साल
नहीं नहीं, आपको ज़्यादा रहना है तो हमारा विजय से मिलो।
नहीं
वो कितने साल से इधर है?
मुझे तो रहना ही नहीं
6 महीने का छोड़ो।
वेरी हैप्पी
यहाँ से एक दिन कनाडा जाके आइए फिर वापस आए तो
अरे भाई,
हो जाता
अरे भाई, कनाडा कहने की क्या ज़रूरत है? कोई इधर से निकालने वाला नहीं है उसको। जितना रहना इधर रहो।
आपको दे दिया कोई इधर से निकालने वाला नहीं है।
गवर्नमेंट वीजा दे दिया
नहीं वो तो कृपा है मतलब भगवान की जिनके भाई की पर मैं वॉल्यूशन कोई भी ऑन माय माइंड आई हैव नेवर वॉल्यूटेड एनीथिंग इन माय लाइफ एंड दैट इज द लास्ट थिंग आई
सो ही हैज़ नॉट वायोलेटेड ऑल्सो। हमारा विजय ने कोई वायोलेशन नहीं किया भाई।
अब रियली मेरा काम कर रहा है आई विल बी टू हैप्पी
जरूर जरूर, आपको जितना रहना है हम आपको इधर खुशी रखेंगे, आबाद रखेंगे।
नहीं और मैं ऑनेस्टली आई मीन आई शो यू द वर्क
जरूर।
मैं हवा में बात नहीं कर रहा
जरूर।
रियली यू गिव मी एनी काइंड ऑफ वर्क और फिर मैं टॉप से मतलब मेरा कोई स्टाइल भी नहीं है मतलब टॉप में झाड़ू सफाई बर्तन कुछ भी काम हो एनी लेवल
वो तो सब बुकिंग हो गया है, दूसरा हायर लेवल का देंगे आपको।
किसी भी लेवल का नहीं आई एम कैपेबल आई नो माय स्ट्रेंथ एनी
તો દક્ષાબેન તમારે સરસ ગોઠવાઈ ગયું ને? और दक्षाबेन, आपको लगता है कि आपके घर से एयरपोर्ट नज़दीक है और जल्दी भाग जाए तो हम वॉकिंग ले जाएंगे?
ऐसा मैं करूँगा
I'm telling that she's having them in this plane here. Dakshaben, they're staying. He wants to stay here forever. So
was great I'll tell you today from the day one it's almost जितना मेरे को पैरेलल भगवान मिले उतने ही पैरेलल दक्षाबेन मिले और बिलीव मी आज मतलब कभी भगवान करे भी नहीं शी इज so dear sister to me I have 6 sisters but out of all she is on the number and in one day in one meeting rather
that's very good.
God's grace
लाओ जल्दी मैं पूरा करता हूँ, खाने का खाने का टाइम हो गया. It's time for prasad also. So Swami is saying that God is giving us the food, the shelter, keeps us healthy, and on top of that, how merciful He is that He has given the company of a Gunatit saint, Gunatitanand Swami. That is the highest thing, And because of that, those who have the clear liking, clear love towards Gunatitanand Swami, they have a good intellect. They have good thoughts, thinking, અને સારી મતિ આપી છે, અચ્છી મતિ દી है. And because of that, જેથી મહારાજ અને આ સાધુની સર્વોપરી નિષ્ઠા થઈ છે. અને because of that, those who have the highest faith, firm faith of God and this Gunatit saint, that is the ultimate result. And Jaga Swami, Bhagaji Maharaj, Krishnaji Ada and others were like this. So this talk is related with those, high level, devotees, So we want to be like that. We want to pray to God that, we have all these things, Here in this country, even if you don't have a job, the country will give you food and shelter. Right? This country is so great, right? So God's grace is here, આપણને અન્ન અને વસ્ત્ર તો આ દેશ આપે છે. આ દેશમાં અન્ન અને વસ્ત્ર તો એમને મળે છે. હે બા, કેટલા ડોલર આવે છે? કાંઈ કર્યું નથી તો એટલે આપણે ખૂબ ભાગ્યશાળી છીએ. We are very fortunate that, oh, Melanie is here. Oh, Jai Samnarayan. Thank you. You came together with your own car? Oh, Angie's car. Oh, you had taken Angie's car. Right. Okay. But next time, save gas. Ride together. Chalo, very good. Sajanand Swami Maharaj ni Jai. This is second home of Melanie, And Kiran Ben has not taken the key back. Very good. Yeah. Okay, let's have Vasudev Hare. Sajanand Swami Maharaj ni Jai.